How's everyone doing today? We're over here in Dover, Massachusetts. We're helping out these homeowners with a full roof replacement. As you can see, it is partially stripped. They had a standing seam metal product on here that has failed with some water coming in. So we're getting it all taken off, replacing any plywood that is needed to be replaced. And we're gonna be installing a brand new standing seam product. You can see it's getting pulled out of the truck right there. It's a product called Drexel Metals. It's an interlocking system with all hidden fasteners, but it is still screw direct to deck. So if you or anyone you know is looking for a standing seam product or any type of roofing services, please give us a call at Klaus Larsen Roofing, and we'll see you guys on the next one.